Hello everybody, so today I'm just gonna show you how to get a 1 year subscription for Skillshare. So first of all, what you need to do is to get a VPN of USA, right? So you can use Los Angeles, Miami, and so on and so forth. You can choose whichever location you want from USA. So after that, you need to go on Skillshare website. After going that, right, you will have to create an account through Gmail. So basically what uh, it will show you is get start your free 7 days, or you could use a gift card or discount card. So it will cost you like 13.75 per month. So what I have done is use here a coupon. So coupon is gonna be this. So after using that, what you do is you will put over here and you will get like this, and just go on activate. After getting that, right, let's wait for it to activate this Skillshare account. So now I am at the home page. So let's wait for it, and let's wait for it. So it's taking too long because I'm using a VPN for that. So let's wait for it. It's taking too long. All right, now it's loading. We are uh, gonna be on the home page. So for this, you can use this Casper VPN. So you can use the trial version. I'm not using a premium, right? So you can use a trial version. It works. So you don't need any premium. So you can download it. You can do it from the Android as well as uh, so sure. So let's wait for it. We don't want to do this. So let's wait for it. Taking too long, but my code has been activated. Okay, now we are get reward from learning progress with badges and certificate. I just want to show you the home page. Right? Let's cancel it out. Okay, wait for it. And it's your home network. We can check its security. Okay, hey, let's check the. So I have successfully activated the account. Thank you guys. Hope you learned something new from here. So I might have to go right here.